Alright, hi guys, my name is Jose and this is Dawson, and we're students at Washington State University. We're in the construction management program, and today we hope to answer your guys' question for your project on the necessary tools to build a bridge.
Now, when looking at bridges, you must first understand that bridges are very specialty construction and they require a very unique type of equipment.
The first equipment used, very commonly used, is the bridge builder. This machine is super lightweight, can carry big loads up to 400 tons, and it works on a fixed rail, and it moves all the materials you need to construct a bridge.
Now, as you can see here, it's a very large piece of equipment as compared to that house. It's massive, and it's unique in the fact that it moves in almost a caterpillar type movement, and it moves along the bridge, taking the concrete portions and putting them in place.
And this is another example of a bridge builder. It's carrying what it's going to put in place. This is already in place, and it's going to transport this moving to right here.
And as it moves, it'll continue on that way to build the bridge.
The second tool is the gantry crane. Gantry cranes are used to build cost-effective bridges. Gantry cranes are very large cranes that are used to quickly build a bridge one beam at a time. This machine operates by a hydraulic system, and it is very widely used.
And as you can see here, it looks very similar to that of a bridge builder, except for the fact that it requires a lot of maintenance because it's a large crane on top of a bridge.
And the other tool I talk about is the beam launcher, and this is used to position and install precast beams in place properly and safely. Key word there is safety. It's used for bridges that cross unsteady ground and has high piers. Helps position them again correctly, and it is used for bridges that are built over bodies of water, and it's very widely known.
And I know what you're all thinking, beam launcher, where to get that name? But as you can see there, it's a large beam that is launched over the bridge, and it's used worldwide because it's able to effectively build large spanning bridges over massive bodies of water.
Yeah, and so this picture you can't see, but my assumption is it has there's a large body of water over here, and it starts right here, and the construction of the bridge is going out.
Now, next we have the mobile crane. And a more common item on any job site is the crane. What makes this one different is that it's easily to move, has a hydraulic system that it uses, and it is a cable controlled crane. Now, as you can see from the picture, the thing that makes it unique is the wheels here down the bottom compared to any other fixed crane. Now, when this crane is ready to be set, it is stopped. The legs, which you can see right here, are put out, set in place, and then the crane is able to be used and lift up any large amount of weight. Now, next we have the movable scaffolding system. And movable scaffolding systems are equipment that are used on these bridge constructions. And as you can see, as it booms out, they're able to take the precasting and collapse it on the bridge. And this is a highly effective way for building the structures because you're able to just move along as you go, place your concrete, and move on to the next section. And as you can see, they're getting prepared to lay out their precasting, and when they're ready to go, they just pour the concrete and move along. Simple as that. And then you're done and moving on to the next section. And that's what it looked like in the real world. As you can see, you have your scaffolding here, you have your next section that's going to come out. They pour their concrete, they have a section of a bridge built, they just slide it out and move on to the next section.
These are pretty unique things, and they're pretty huge.
And next you have the straddle carrier. And the straddle carrier is very similar to that of the gantry crane, except it has large, just massive wheels on it that allow it to move back and forth quite easily. And these straddle carriers, they're highly effective, and they're able to be used on such unique and different types of job sites. And as you can see from the picture, that it's monstrous, it's huge. And as it has the precasting concrete, the main backbone of the bridge right in the middle. It lifts it up, moves it around wherever you want to put it, and then sets it down.
Like in size comparison, these are people.
Yeah, and it's huge. The wheels are 3 times the size of a person. It's just monstrous. And with any job site, any place you go to work, you're going to have construction workers. They're the bread and butter to any type of construction job. And they're really just the people who work the job sites because they provide the labor, they provide the people to operate their equipment. And they're just normal people doing normal jobs, making amazing bridges and structures with these fantastic types of equipment.
So of all the equipment that we use, it wouldn't be possible without a construction worker. They are, like he said, the bread and butter, and it's what you need to build a bridge. I hope we answered your guys' question, and thanks for listening.
Have a great day and the rest of your day.